Hey guys, yesterday OpenAI announced the release of its AI Detector application named AI Classifier. Upon the announcement, everyone on social media quickly rushed to check their content to see if they were safe.
Shut up. Go check it now. Go!
As one by one, everyone realized that they are kind of in the clear.
He's in the clear.
It seems a little bit uncanny to me that everyone's content seems to be written by humans. So today on Prompt News, we're going to be testing out the AI classifier to tell how well it works or to see how badly it's broken. Okay, so to keep this a fair test, I'm going to be using what I call one-click writers. So things like a phrase and outranking, which go into quite a lot of detail on how the formatting and content is written, I will be omitting them from the test. So to perform this test, we're going to be using a few of my favorite writers. These are Text Builder, Autoblogging, Writer, Kateb, OpenAi's Playground, and ChatGPT. So to set the bar, we're going to be starting with ChatGPT, everyone's favorite. So we're going to ask for a funny story about a dog and do a minimum of 1,200 characters. It needs a minimum of 1,000 to work, so let's give this as a prompt. Okay, and there we have it. So dog name Max. So let's take that and move it over to the detector. Okay, so it's not sure. It says it's possibly AI generated, even though it literally just came from itself. So test number 2, we're going to be using the playground. So we're going to paste in the same instruction and hit submit. Okay, so we're going to take that and once again, give that a test. Also possibly, so 2 for 2. Okay, on the third test, we're going to be using one of my favorites as Kateb, so write a funny story. Even though Kateb does do research content, we're just going to be using the basic assistant here just to make it on par in fairness with Playground and ChatGPT. So let's generate. Okay, so let's take that one and paste this in. Unlikely, so well done, Kateb.
You done good.
Now let's move on to autoblogging. Enter a blog. We won't do anything additional. And here we have it. So let's take this. Oh, I've always liked the way autoblogging lays out its content. It's always been nice. All right, so let's move it over and give that a test. Okay, so I've gone to test this one and it doesn't work. It's not the text, it's an error communicating with the model. Maybe there was too much text. So let's trim this down. I don't think so, but let's just give that a try. Very unlikely, so well done autoblogging. Good work.
It's good.
Oh, another winner. Yeah.
Okay, next up we have textbuilder.ai, which is my go-to if I'm doing any kind of affiliate or Amazon articles. But the same rules apply. We're going to be using just magic commands to make it as fair between all of them as possible. And there we have our output. Let's take that and check that out. Possibly.
That was unexpected.
Yeah. Okay, that's a surprise. With that said, though, this isn't the normal go-to function for textbuilder.ai, but it is what it is. Okay, so last but not least, we're going to be using Writer. So let's paste this in, and we'll run it as a command. All right, there we go. Let's take that and paste that in. Okay, so it failed on the character limit. We wanted minimum 1,200. So let's try that again. Okay, it looks like we're not going to be able to use Writer because it doesn't seem to be able to do long form content. It just cuts off. So they've obviously restricted the amount of characters to around 600. So that one's going to have to be a dropout.
It is impossible.
So what was that? Was that 3 possibles and 3 nots? So yeah, not very good at detecting AI content, isn't it? Even if it comes freshly from itself. So yeah, it is what it is. Take that how you want. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Look after yourselves and take care.